Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to schedule power off for your TP-Link RE190 using app called Tether by TP-Link. So in order to do that, we'll need to go for our tools after selecting device. Now find schedule power off and click on it. From here you can press on this plus button to add custom time when the device will be turned off. So you can set it for a specific day. So for example, let's pick Monday, and you can choose the power off time from, you can't see it very clearly, but if you scroll it turns into white. So let's choose from 2 AM for example to whatever it is, 12 PM. After setting up the time you can press save, and now you'll be sure that your device will turn off automatically on Monday from 2 AM till 12 PM. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.